So there's a lot of cheap gym equipment on the market that is usually just garbage. So in this video, I want to talk to you about 5 things for under $25 a piece that I actually use. Hey, my name's Mike Behrens, and I've been a home gym owner for over a decade. In that time, I've always looked at equipment to buy to get the best bang for my buck. And over the years, I've found a few inexpensive pieces of equipment that have really stuck in my home gym. The first one was a set of resistance bands. I found some cheap resistance bands on Amazon and they have lasted for years. They were a great purchase because you can do so many different things with a set of resistance bands. You wouldn't even need other pieces of equipment if you have a set of resistance bands. There's a lot that you can do in your home gym. So whether you're starting out or adding to your current gym, resistance bands are a great way to go. Sticking with the theme of resistance bands, hip circle resistance bands are a great addition. For me personally, I've always struggled with tight hips. I've spent a lot of time in a car, sitting and not being able to get up and mobilize. And when I added those hip resistance bands at the beginning of my workout for warming up, I feel like it helps open up my hips, makes my hips stronger, and I get a better workout, and then I don't have as much pain when I have to sit for long periods of time. Next thing is a jump rope. Remember from when we were kids, a good jump rope is a great way to add some cardio to your workout. It's great because it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's easy to move around. You can take it with you wherever you go. So if you wanted to work out outside, you could do that. A jump rope is a great addition to any home gym. The next one is an ab mat. I put off buying one of these for a long time because it just seemed kind of silly to me that I would buy a mat so I could do some core work. But once I started implementing this into my core routine, it made a huge difference about the range of motion that I was able to hit and actually target my core in the process. Plus, it was super cheap, so I don't know why I put it off so long. And the last thing I want to talk about is a grip strength kit. Now, this doesn't actually live in the gym all the time because I'll take it down to my desk in my office and use it there, but having great grip strength is important for men. You want to have a good handshake. Improving your grip strength is a great way to do that. But beyond that, it's going to give you better strength in the gym because you're going to be able to hold on to the weight for a longer period of time. There's nothing worse than going for a heavy deadlift and then dropping it because your grip gives out. And a grip strength kit is a great way to improve that grip strength. I mean, it's kind of in the name. So those 5 things are a great addition to a current home gym to give you more options in your workouts, to be able to do some different accessory work, but they're also a great way to start building a home gym. If you don't have the space, that's fine. They don't take up a lot of space. They don't need a lot of space to be used. If you don't have a big budget, that's perfect because they're super cheap. It's a great way to get your foot in the door and start building that home gym that I think every guy should have. So I'll put some links in the description for my recommended products, and I hope this helps you in your home gym so that you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video.